siguro, ako si Claro. Claro in Spanish is clear. Pero sa Mandarin, yung ibig sabihin niya, pag sinama-sama mo lahat ng characters, wala siyang ibig sabihin. Pero mo dun sa isa, clear. Dun sa isa, wala lang. Pero pag binrake down yung characters, one of the characters of my name plus another character, it means Olympics. As the other one, another character plus a character in my name means cartoon.
Okay.
Tapos the last one, it means pear. Pear.
As in the fruit or?
Yes, as in the fruit. So amazing. If you combine all of that, Olympics, cartoon, and pear, it doesn't mean
Yeah.
parang art. Sometimes it's hard to figure out the intention of the project or the piece, art piece, unless you get to interview maybe the artist.
The festival.
I'm working on a Andador.
Andador. Yung walker. Parang
The drawing ko para na Andador. Ganito kasi Andador. Yan. Normally yung walker, bilog yan eh. Yung lumang panahon, Spanish time, Andador. Walker meaning yung walker kasi meaning to walk slowly, to help an individual walk slowly. And I was trying to use the art form, para yung art that helps the community to walk slowly. Pero since this is a collective project, ang project ko ngayon, ginawa ko, sinukat ko yung mga community tsaka yung height nila. Kung bata siya, di maliit yung Andador. Kung matanda siya, mataas yung Andador.
Pero hindi siya cylindrical.
Hindi siya kasi because of the time constraint at saka yung magiging siya more of cubic. So pero ang gagawin ngayon dito, pag sasama-samahin ko lahat so that it becomes like this, from one Andador to another because of the different height of the community, from another to another to another to another to another to another to another, forming an arc.
Okay.
Arc. And this Andador here, yun yung pinakamaliit. Kasi dito sa architecture, it's called the cornerstone. Diba? So, yung mga kabataan, ang
It's
nandun.
what holds the art together.
Yes, the art together. But this one is again, kasi yung mga matatanda dito, sila rin yung pillars that helps the community. And this one becomes a gateway that brings art in and out their community, and it's a door kasi it's very symbolic. Tapos meron siyang video na LCD na magbi-beam sa taas. Tapos dito may performance na isang artist nagpe-perform, si Siege. Papasok siya doon. Tapos pagpasok na doon, magbi-beam to. Pero yung beam na to is the document of the people who were working at that time.
Wow.
So more or less, hopefully it will happen.
So it's very multimedia. So you have of course broadcast, and then you have performance art.
Yeah.
And the structure being a sculpture itself.
Yun ang gusto ko kasi even yung paggawa naman ito, ang ginagawa ko kasi sa community, kaya medyo nakita nyo hindi pa nakatayo kanina. Kasi if I gave them the instructions, the specific instructions how to create this art, they would just be hired hands.
Yeah.
And I wanted them to solve the problem of
to be collaborators.
The collaborators. Whether it's an imperfect design later on, but it is a community effort. My strength is their strength, and their strength is my strength. So more or less, even negatives, I always say, even negatives can also be a positive. Like in film, everything starts with the negative before it becomes.
That you're using the Andador, was it formed prior to coming here, or prior to the immersion process that you had to go through?
No, I to choose an image for me, the concept was I had to choose an image for me that I can work it as an installation. Kasi nga, ang dador nga is walker. Moving slowly kasi sa Manila it's very fast.
Yeah.
And and then even the art scene right now, it's so fast-paced that sometimes the question of the pace of production of art
Becomes in question.
yes, of course. Kaya mas maganda rin yung mabagay, bagalan natin para mas maintindihan natin, bagalan natin para mas masalap, mas malasap yung proseso. Parang it becomes a soul food rather than fast food.
It depends how this will turn out. This would eventually turn out.
I believe yes, the immersion would alter the design somehow because of the givens, but I like working with givens. Because with the givens, you find out, you learn something that you've not learned before. Because you grow as an artist, because the community helps you grow as well. Because sometimes simple suggestions for them makes it work. And I'd rather go with the simplest forms, like construction, because this is an eco project. It's also nature. Maganda rin, mas minimal as I can to use again, the conventional hardware equipments, mas gusto ko rin. Pero again, gusto pa rin natin yung safety. So, with the weather we have, that's why I was also requesting for a little of the help. Kasi baka during that time, the wind might blow it down. Hopefully, the weather holds up.
There's always like a talk, of course, of collaboration, and you were telling me na whether you like it or not, there's going to be a transfer of knowledge. And how do you think you were able to influence them naman?
Ang feeling ko, ang influence na ginawa is yung pananaw kung bakit ginagawa ito isang proyekto na ganito, yung pananaw ng isang dayuhan. I'm not really a foreigner because I'm also from Manila.
But you're dayo.
But I'm dayo.
Yeah.
I always use the word dayo because of a stranger coming into your place, observing the culture and trying to respect the culture as well. So yung pagiging dayuhan ko dito, is a plus for them as well, because sometimes I would also share the technology and the things that I've learned in the installations that I've